Hey, what's up, robots, androids, and other mechanoid beings? Rescue here, and time to finally put some more work and show you kind of where I'm going with the Leo here. As you see, I finished him. There is no, I don't know if you can see it, let's let it focus here a bit. But I didn't put the lens in yet because I'm going to actually repaint the whole kit. It's really nice. There's definitely some things that can become panel lines and stuff, but I am some stuff that I want to remove seam lines for. But overall, really good kit. Although I guess parts of it are still falling off. But I'll fix all that too. Probably glue those in. I don't want to glue it in because of how it works, but yeah. But he's not going to be by himself anymore because I just picked up this. The Leo NPD for the non-player divers, for the mobile suit build divers. Wanted to go a little different because I want to make another one, but I want him to not just be identical to the other Leo. So I picked up this because he comes with his own variants. As you can see, it's got different head options. And there's actually quite some different options here, but got the front and the back. He's got a nice cool backpack for it. Other than that, very similar design. Retail of 1,200 yen, so a little more expensive, but it's more plastic in the box because of the different options. And I think all the original Leo options are there, just molded in a different color. So let's take a peek inside. So yeah, there's a lot of the similar runners right there. Not bad. Plus some of the other parts. And this one does have stickers. The original Leo didn't, but these are for the different camera stickers. So you can get some different effects and kind of choose which color you want. Not sure if I'll use that or if I'm going to just paint the colors myself. But, yeah. Plus instructions and whatnot. Give me a moment and get these bags open, and we'll take a closer look at the runners. Alright, so first runner here is just the small set of polycaps here. Let that kind of focus in here. But yeah, so same as the standard Leo high grade. Pretty straightforward, pretty simplistic. Then we have the B runner. A lot of the joints and some of the armor parts. So pretty good overall. And here we got the A runner, which has got a lot of the armor, pretty much the same as the original, that solid sheet that they did. A lot more runners in this kit, obviously, for the new parts. It's even got the old chest piece, so I could keep the old chest piece if I wanted to. Just kind of, I'll have to build it and decide kind of the configuration that I want to go with. And here we got one of the new runners, the D1 runner, up here for the NPD. And this is the one that has all the head options on it. You can see. Now, so something I was noticing is this head option right here. See if it'll focus in. But this head option actually does not have a lens part for it. Let me go ahead and show you this runner here. This is the E-runner with all the different lens options for all the different headpieces except for that one. And this one also doesn't have stickers. So if I want to use that one, which I'm kind of leaning towards, I will have to paint that, which won't be too hard. I have chrome marker that I can get in there, and I might keep it silver anyway. This has also the new chest piece, as well as the different shoulders. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Here we have Runner C. Runner C is going to be a lot more of the armor parts and the weapon, which I think it's the same weapon. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, it's got the casing over there, which is pretty cool. It's a cool weapon. Plus the original lens for the original head, So you really do have some good options for this kit. Really impressed with the selection that I've got. And then we also have D2, some more of the newer parts. Very cool. And then last but not least, the beam effect parts. So you can still have your dual sabers on that. And the foil sheet. Sometimes a love-hate relationship with these. I think since most of all that is clear plastic, I'm just going to avoid using this one altogether. So, but let's take a look at the instruction manual. Alright, so here we have the Leo NPD instructions. You can see the description and everything. Pretty good. It's a simple manual, just one giant fold out. But got all the parts descriptions here. It says some are going to be used because those are the original Leo parts. But you could use them, obviously, if you wanted to. But if you were just going to build a standard Leo, just in different color, you just probably easier to just paint it. So definitely going to use a different head, obviously. I really like these two heads. This one's not bad either. I wonder if that only fits on the new armor. It probably does, just judging by the shape of the new chest. I probably can't use the old chest. But lots of different shoulder options. So lots of options with this kit, which is pretty great. Not enough to build multiple Leos out of, which is the only sad part, because there's so many cool variants to do. Here's it with some of the option parts and things. Does it have a color guide? Surely it has a color guide, right? It does not have a color guide. At least oh, it's right down here. I'm blind. But yeah. But I'm not going to be painting it this color anyway. I'm going to be painting it a custom color. But yeah, if you bundle that with the original Leo, should be pretty. Bundle that with the original Leo, should be pretty good. But you know, I was thinking, you have this Leo and you have another Leo. So wouldn't it be good if I got another Leo? Yeah, that's right. I have decided to build me another Leo with this. I will be building a trio of Leos. That unintentionally rhymed, but there you go. I'm going to set up each one in a different configuration and go with a different color scheme for each one, but kind of build them as a set. So I'm going to start snapping these together throughout the week while I'm at work and everything, you know, coming back from work and everything, still finishing up the Justice Gundam. Put it on the back burner, a little burned out from work, but getting back in the swing of that and still filming some parts of that, so that'll be up shortly, hopefully in a week or so. You'll see the progress on that, and yeah, so talk to y'all later. Bye.